What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to talk about what is high ticket affiliate marketing, but more importantly I'm going to show you a strategy that you can start using today so you can reap the benefits of making commissions with high ticket products. So basically a high ticket product is a different type of product in which we can make higher commissions. For example, these are products that the price is $1,500, $2,000, $3,000, or even more. I'm an affiliate for this high ticket product, Free Accelerator, and let me show you some of my results. So as you can see on the screen, I have been making commissions every single month by promoting this product. So these are not crazy commissions, but these are my real results. Now I'm going to show you a page that you can utilize to find high ticket products that are going to be launched in the future. So the page is muncheye.com. You can go to Google, write muncheye, and access this website. And here we're going to have very soon a launch on January 23rd. The product is eFormula from Aiden Booth. So check this out. We have here the information. The pre-launch is going to begin January 17th. The card is going to open January 23rd, and it's going to close on February 1st. Basically, when we have these kind of launches in which we are promoting high ticket products, we need to go here to the JB page, and we're going to find more information. For example, we can make commissions of $1,750 plus commissions per sale, and also they are going to have a $200,000 prize pool. And if I scroll down, we have here the important dates we need to know. We need to click here to read the affiliate agreement and then write our information so we can register for the launch. Once we have registered for the launch, we are going to start receiving emails about the information of this product, the eFormula. And once we have our affiliate links, we can start promoting. But one important thing to do is to start creating content about this product, and we can do that by, for example, by putting our information inside of that page. We're going to start receiving info, ebooks, and also all the information about the dates. And we can start creating content and tell people about these things because they want to know. For example, check this out. Here we have what is the formula. It's a highly effective and very unique model of selling profitable high margin products leveraging Amazon. Here are the main advantages of the method we are going to be teaching: how to use for traffic, how to sell. So we can utilize this information to create a YouTube video about the eFormula. So the strategy is simple. So check this out. If I write on YouTube eFormula Aiden Booth review, right now we have only 2 YouTube videos talking about this product. So we don't have too much content about it. And if we create a YouTube video, and if that video is well optimized, we can rank in the first spots to start promoting this product. So check this out. If I click here, eFormula review, I'm going to access the video, but more importantly, check the description. Go here for my bonus. So if I click here, so this person has a bit.ly link inside of the description, and his person is going to give his bonus to all the people who buys the eFormula from his affiliate link. And this is a good strategy to promote these launches, because if you create your own bonus offer, for example, if you have a free affiliate training free ebook, high quality resources that you can give away for free when someone buys this high ticket product through your affiliate link. The probability to make more commissions increases, because so people are not going to have only access to the formula, because you are going to give to them more information, more resources, ebooks, training, e-courses to them. And this is a good strategy to start promoting a high ticket product. So this is basically the traffic part, the traffic strategy to promote a launch like this one. And for example, if you are wondering that if you have a YouTube channel with not too many subscribers, so check this out. This channel has 56 subscribers. So that means that because we don't have too much content about this product, so all the people who start like creating videos and content about the e-formula is going to rank on YouTube, because we don't have too much competition yet. Now, when this day starts approaching, we're going to have more affiliate marketers talking about this product, and it's going to be a little hard to rank on YouTube. But right now, there is a huge opportunity to rank on YouTube by utilizing these keywords, e-formula review. Now, this is the traffic part, or the traffic side. It's important as well to create your own funnel. So, and what is that? A funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process, in which we need to collect the name and the email. That is important if you want to build an affiliate business for the long term. So for example, once you have like created your YouTube channel and created your YouTube video about the e-formula review, and you start like uploading content like consistently before the launch, you're going to have a high probability that to have more eyeballs to your affiliate offer. So, and you can do this. So first of all, the first strategy here is to start creating content about this product. And then you can build an opt-in page like this one with a good hook. And for example, with a button, so you can collect the name, the email, and the phone number if you want. And once you have that information, you can redirect those people to your affiliate offer. So instead of having a thank you page, you can redirect those people through your, for example, your affiliate link. But the one thing that is important to do here is to start collecting emails about this product, because you are going to have, like, for example, like the e-formula is for the e-commerce niche. So you're going to start creating an audience in the commerce niche by promoting this product. And you can ride the wave, because people are going to start searching for these keywords. When Eden Booth launches the product, people are going to go to Google, they are going to go to YouTube and start writing e-formula review. And if people start seeing your content, you can start building an audience around that product. And you can do that by creating a simple opt-in page, and you're going to start collecting emails. For example, I use GetResponse to store and collect my emails. So check this out. This is my GetResponse account. For example, today I have 3 new contacts added, and I have 1,279 contacts inside of this GetResponse account. And this is important because once you have collected information, you can promote, for example, another e-commerce products to those people. So in my case, I have been collecting emails, for example, for promoting Fund Freedom, which is a software. This is a Spanish product that I'm testing. This is Freedom Accelerator TikTok. So these are my leads that came from TikTok, the 72-hour challenge. I have 55 emails. Freedom Accelerator, I have 125 emails. This is my free affiliate training. As you can see, I have 70 emails. And the powerful of having your own email list is that it's like you have your own audience. And I can go to email marketing, then click on newsletter, and I can write an email just not to promote any product, because it's important to promote high quality products, but also I can give more information to my email list. For example, check this out here. I only send emails to wish a Merry Christmas to my email list. So this is in Spanish and this is in English. For example, I sent this email to promote the 72-hour challenge. This is only a value letter, so it doesn't have any links whatsoever. It's only valuable information. This email is to promote my YouTube channel. Here I'm promoting a YouTube video. Here I'm promoting Secret of Success, which is a training about mindset. So that is why it's important to collect your own emails, because you can promote multiple affiliate products and offers. So this is the strategy, guys. You can go to muncheye.com and start promoting this training. Basically, Aiden Booth and Steve Clayton, they are well-known and excellent marketers in the make money online niche, and they promote high quality products. So you can create a YouTube video, a very simple video, talking about the dates, talking about the launches, talking about the launch, talking about the things that people are going to learn if they access the e-formula. So you can use this information. Also, you can talk about big reasons why you want to promote the formula. So they have good conversion, cash prices. So Steve Clayton and Aiden Booth, they are excellent marketers inside of this space, and they promote high quality products. So you can utilize this strategy to ride the way to promote this product. So another example of high ticket product, it's this one, Freedom Accelerator. So the creator is Jonathan Montoya, and I have been promoting this training. These are my results. Another high ticket product, another example is Legendary Marketer. This is the 15-day challenge. I'm promoting this product as well. So, but these products are evergreen. That means that we can promote this product like anytime we want. For example, any day of the year. So we can promote this product like continuously over time. Instead of promoting the launches, so here you need to hurry up because the card is going to close on February 1st. And when the card closes, you can't promote this product anymore because they close the sale. So they close the page and people can't buy this product. So that is the difference between promoting a high ticket product launch and Freedom Accelerator and Legendary Marketer. These are evergreen high ticket products. So that means that we can promote these products like consistently over time instead of promoting a high ticket product launch like this one. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. That's it. Talk to you soon. God bless. And I'll see you in the next video.